Hello guys, today I will be show you how to install Appium on the Mac machine. This is video for mobile testing purpose. So for mobile testing you need a Appium. So let's show you guys how to install Appium. Just follow the step by steps. Go open your Google and write down Appium.io. So you will be see here Appium automation for apps. For the download Appium, once you download Appium, you see 1.62 version over here, and just click it, and there is a DMZ already downloaded. So can I, if I double click it, so it's opening. While opening, guys, I will be while Appium, I just to make sure that why Appium. Appium is a tool supporting the mobile testing. You need it. So when it's done, so just drag and drop to the application, and when you drag in the application, you will see open your application page, application, and you'll find the Appium. Double click the Appium, and you'll something pop up here. The way to open the Appium. Is opening. So guys, Appium is the tool, is very helpful for mobile testing for iOS device. For that reason, we are downloading the Appium setup for next video, so we can show how to do mobile testing with Xcode Appium. So that purpose we need the Appium. And just say open. So you will see here the Appium is open. You're asking about host, and if you want a specific host you want to provide, but if you don't want, is okay. Port number or whatever you want to provide, I say start server. There's the advanced option also have. If you want to you have to some configuration for there. So we're going to use the simple simple way to open the server. Start the server. So guys, Appium over here, so welcome Appium to version 1.8. This is the new version of Appium. Appium used to be a different version, looks different, but now it looks different. Started with this this host number and port. For next video, I will be show you how to integrate with Xcode and Appium. That's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please press the like button, and feel free to subscribe Future IT Vision. Subscribe Future IT Vision. Also, there is a code will be always there in GitHub, github.com. GitHub.com is a Future IT Vision, and also Appium mobile automation testing video will be part 1, part 2, part 3. Keep tuning Future IT Vision, and comment if you need any help. Comment in the box, comment box, and I will be answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much today. Thank you so much for today, guys.